Hi everyone, Ron Crider reporting for duty once again today. This is the second version of our Ron Crider, the old Preppy guy. And there are my puppies. That's Tommy on the right-hand side. Check him out. He's doing all the dancing. Look at that. He loves to dance. And today we're going to talk about roll-up laundry, roll-up underwear, polo shirts, microfiber cloths, closet boxes, polo shirts, breakfast. We're going to have a bunch of really good stuff here for breakfast. And I also want to talk to you about this Ninja air fryer. It's absolutely incredible. So here we go. There's my Electrolux washer and dryer. That's the dryer over there. The washer's to the left of that. I'm going to pull out the clothes. I want to show you this. This is kind of a knockoff Columbia shirt. Columbia shirts usually run about 50, 60 bucks. This one was like $30 or $40. Very similar, works very well. It's hard to tell one from the other, but look at it. No wrinkles whatsoever. No wrinkles. So what I do is I button every other button, and then I end up folding it. You'll see here in a second. I'm going to take it out. Just want you to take a look at it and notice that there's no wrinkles in that shirt. And it's been in the dryer for like 75 minutes. Now I'm going to take the shirt and fold it over. And I'm fold it so that I can roll it up, which I do all of my clothes that I wear on a daily basis when I don't really go anywhere, and yet I want to look fairly nice. I just roll the shirt up just like this. Very, very easy to do, and it fits really well into the boxes in my closet. So there it is. It looks good. It's a button-down shirt. It's still a little bit preppy, right? Okay. Now, underwear. One more time. These are the polo underwear shirts that I wear. And I do exactly the same thing, and they come out pretty nice as well. Generally, they don't have any wrinkles in them. Fold them over and do the same thing, and roll them up. And when we go into the closet, we'll be able to just shove those right in the closet, and there we go. So that takes care of the underwear, and that takes care of the shirt. I do all of this in less than 2 hours, and in the meantime, I'm doing plenty of other things. It's my real Preppy shirt here. It's a very cool Preppy shirt, obviously. It's the one that we used to wear most of the time everywhere. It's a little bit warmer than the shirts that like the Columbia shirts, things like that. And I enjoy wearing that. So I pretty much wear button-down everywhere I go. I never wear anything but a button-down shirt. I always have sleeves. Every shirt I wear, it has sleeves on it. And once again, even these shirts, as nice as they are, which we used to send to the laundry, and we still send a few of them to the laundry. You'll see those in just a minute. But once again, roll this shirt up. Doesn't have any wrinkles in it. Came out of the Electrolux dryer really, really well. And voila, there it is, all set. And that shirt's ready to go along with the other one. This is the microfiber rag. That thing is like, I should have invented that. I wish I had invented that. Is incredible. It is the best thing. I've got a half a dozen of them around here. I use them all the time. They clean anything. Microfiber rag, get them from Amazon. Less than 10 bucks for like a half a dozen of them. Okay, here's my closet. This is where the closet boxes are. And see how these little boxes are? I take the underwear here and stuff it in there. And close the little door and voila, it's all set to go. Those are the closet boxes. Now I'm going to run out to the other room, and I'm going to grab 2 more shirts that I did and bring those shirts back in. And when I bring the shirts back in, and stuff those in those boxes, and the boxes hold like 15, 20 shirts. It's really nice. It works very, very well. It's extremely efficient. You notice I have all my jackets hung up here on the top rung. Down on the bottom is, here's my Preppy shirt. There's my Columbia knockoff shirt. I'm going to stuff those guys in there. First stick in the Columbia shirt. And then we're going to put in the actual polo shirt over on the left-hand side. And as I say, down on the bottom, the jackets down there. My suit jackets and sport coats and so forth are up there on the top. And then I have my shoes all the way down on the bottom. Here are the real Preppy shirts. Check this out. Pinstriped, white and blue pinstripe polo shirt. And, of course, got to have a pink one. Got to have a pink one. That's a pink polo shirt, button-down shirt. Those are the shirts that I wore practically every day and wear them with a tie and always look really good and really neat. And, yeah, let's do this. Let's eat. So here's what we're going to do with eating. This is the bread I use. It's Dave's whole wheat bread. It's really good. Wait till you see what we do with it. First, we're going to pop it into the toaster. I want to get it really, really, really toasty, so I have it cranked all the way up. Take that bread out of the toaster as soon as it's done. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put olive oil, extra virgin olive oil on it. You hope that it doesn't have any holes in it, or very few holes in it, so that you can really smother the bread with the olive oil, because you want to get a lot of olive. Olive oil is very good for you like this. And then on top of that, we're going to put some of this cinnamon, and a lot of it. Smother it with cinnamon as well. Cinnamon and olive oil. It is fabulous. I love it. I eat it every day for breakfast. I've been doing it for years and years and years. There's the breakfast. What is that? Well, that's the whole wheat toast you just saw a minute ago. Over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see blueberries and Special K cereal in there. It's vanilla and almond cereal. Very, very nice. And what do we have here? We have sliced red beets, pickled red beets, and they were done, that red beet egg was done in the red beet juice. And it is like really, really good. And let's not forget the watermelon. Got to have a little bit of fruit with your breakfast. So there it is. There's the watermelon. And so there is my typical breakfast that I eat just about every day. I make a little variation. You'll see some of the other variations. When it gets around to the weekend, I do some eggs and things like that on the stove, something like that. But for the moment, this is primarily what I eat pretty much every day. Okay, let's move on, and maybe I know what we're going to do. We'll take one more look at it. So let's go take one more pass by. There's the bread. And let's flip up there and take a look at that blueberries. Fresh blueberries, everyday fresh blueberries, and the Special K, and the egg over there with pickled red beets. Luscious, wonderful, under 500 calories. You really are going to enjoy that. One more thing. Here is a very special device. Check this thing out. This is a Ninja air fryer. It's a 4-quart version. It makes French fries as good as I have ever had anywhere in the world. Really crunchy, great French fries, and it's not that expensive. This particular unit, I think it's called the F something 100, and I don't think they're going to be making that anymore, so it's on sale. You can get it for like 50 or 60 bucks. Pretty good deal. So anyway, here's kind of a review of what we did for Mr. Preppy here, 85-year-old Ron Crider. Roll-up laundry, roll-up underwear, polo Preppy shirts. That microfiber cloth is incredible. My closet boxes are really great. They're very inexpensive. Nice things to have. There's the polo shirts, the breakfast we had. Everything is really cool. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to push the button and subscribe so I know that you're there. Thank you very much. Have a very blessed day. Thanks for watching.